Khubor Sanshar District kari Bhoi mentagasngi kilashim yaki sen jam banwa dekilat Jingïada ki bapaka halor ka Jingshlei ka baju jiaman usnam hagathan Jorabat-Khanapara da kabalum ya ka Jingïalang bat ki officer na kitenar sarkar bapher ban bishar bania ya ki Jing'e bat ban penbet no mardor. Hakani ke Jingïalang bala penlong da Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District u Dr. Abhishek Saini laidon lang ki officer na ka National Highways Authority of India NHAI, PWD, Water Resources, District Disaster Management Authority, Soil and Water Conservation, Forest Department, Meghalaya Police bat ki he officer na ka North Eastern Space Application Center NISAC. Hadian ke Jingïalang u Dr. Abhishek Saini uleyathu hakilat patai Khubor da ka baong. Kajingakran kalalong kapasani bha halor kilat Jingïada ki badai ban pentre kam no kham kloy hadian ka Jingshlei hakini kisngi baladab kabala penjenjar ya kalit kawan ki padba ula ongru wala ki Jingkhun ban penbet ya kani ka Jing'e ki lasdang nadu kisnam balalet hendrei ladon kam ban penstat ya ka Jing pentre kam ki project ki badang sa khnang ba anla ban penduna ya ka jenjenjar jeng ki padba hakapor bajor slap na pedang kirai bala shim ha ka Jingïalang ki kenthop ya ka jing pen he ya ki nala ka jing pen khut ya ki nala bala dab na ki jabo bat ka jing te ya ki check dam ha ki jaka ki ba khamjor ka Jingshlei u Deputy Commissioner ula kar padru ki pad ba ban ai ka jing Trailang da ka ba kyar na ka jing brat pathar ya ki jabo she ki nala namar ki khang ya ka lenti tu jaka ki jabo ki long ka we na ki daw ba ki ba penjur ya ka Jingshlei ha ba wan ula ba ula penkut.
But I think we should discuss on what the efforts have been done earlier and what more solutions can be done in the future also. And we would like to solve this problem on a more long-term perspective. So just cleaning the drains and all, of course, that part is important. But why we have called NHAI, PWD and all is so that we can have some sort of a permanent or a long-term solution, or at least the beginning of it, so that this problem doesn't go to the scale that it is going right now. So before we start,
inadequate drainage infrastructure, then the encroachments are blocked by construction and solid waste, and also
in that when it will be widened, when the road will be widened along with that.
Inspection at 17 mile per 1 inch on the 15th of this month.
Thank you very much, sir. There is a landslide or there is a outfill that has been there for the last 2 to 3 years.
To the road. You can see here, sir, this is the warehouse. Due to heavy rainfall on the 8th of this month, you can see the flash flood, and it has affected the warehousing complex also. And we have gone for inspection with the block team and also the officials from due to heavy rainfall from steep upstream, catchment debris rapid runoff, and then.
So today we had a coordination meeting to look for various measures and solutions to solve the flooding problem in the Jorabat-Khanapara area. We had a meeting with the various line departments including from NHAI, from PWD, Water Resources, Police Department, District Disaster Management Office, and Soil and Water Conservation, Forest also. And we discussed at length the various immediate measures as well as the long-term measures that are required to be taken. Various measures have already been taken in the past also. However, we need to speed that up, and our effort was to make sure that that the flooding problem we can mitigate, and also what to do so that in long term the impact is less. Officials from NISAC were also there, and decisions were taken in various categories, like for example widening the drains that are there, and to NHAI cleaning of the drains, and at the same time any kind of constructions required, whether check dams or other places. And we focused on the hotspots where flooding has been recurring, and we have also issued various orders And I would also urge the various citizens to please make sure that the garbage is not thrown into the drains, because many cases we have seen that it ends up clogging the drains, and in the end the water does not get the proper outlet and it leads to flooding. So I would request cooperation from the citizens also, so that we are able to solve this problem in the short term as well as in the long term. Thank you.